Hello everyone, and welcome to the next edition of the Mayor Spotlight, where we're headed around town to highlight local businesses, local employers, look at project sites, and give our citizens some up-to-date and pertinent information on what's going on in our community. I am in the Lyons neighborhood, right on the corner of Main Avenue here with Sherilyn at Don's Jewelry. Thank you for having me down here.
Well, thanks for coming. This is an honor.
Yeah, well, I don't know about an honor, but no. You know, Don's Jewelry is a staple in our community. And how long have you been up here in the Lyons neighborhood?
We just celebrated 62 years. So.
62 years. I mean, that's probably got to be one of the oldest businesses in town at the moment, right?
Well, we're right up there with Rastrelli's and Sweetheart Bakery. They've been here a little longer. The three of us.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. So tell us a little bit about Don's Jewelry.
Well, right now we actually have 3 generations working together in our store. There's not too many in town that can say that.
Yeah.
Don turns 90 next week, so we'll be having a nice little party for him here at the store. So keep June 3rd in mind. He still comes in every day but Saturday, and he does some of our stone setting and watch repair. And of course, Matt then has joined us and does a lot of our sales and marketing. So
wow, so true family business.
It is,
right?
Yes.
That's outstanding. So what types of things do you have coming up with the store and promotions and different things?
Well, we're finally excited to have a promotion since COVID has hit, but on June 7th, it's a Monday all day, we have a big estate sale coming in. And this company will be bringing celebrity pieces along with them.
Wow.
So you can come and take a look at all the pieces, and they will be available to purchase. All of the pieces, they start at about $500 and go up to thousands. So it's something to see. We had them here last year, and it was such a great turnout that we decided to see what new they had this year. So.
Awesome. That's amazing. And you know, we kind of chatted a little bit before, but you know, my favorite, I guess, memory of Don's Jewelry is I bought my wife's wedding ring here. Mm-hmm. My dad actually bought my mom's, you know, and he said, go up to Don's. So I came up here, and you know, we didn't find exactly what we wanted here, but Matt sat down with me on the computer screen right behind us here and designed a one-of-a-kind piece for my wife, which was outstanding.
Yeah, that's what we've really been enjoying lately, because even through all of COVID, people were getting engaged and getting married. So we are able to use this software and do whatever they want. You know, we can change the size of the stone, the shape of the stone, the width of the ring, the color of the gold, make any changes to any ring that they want, make it a one-of-a-kind, and have it created right in front of their eyes. Yeah. So we've been doing a lot of that lately, and it's not just for engagement rings. We have families bringing in estate pieces that they maybe want to combine 3 rings down to 1, and it's just been a lot of fun doing that.
Yeah, it has to be, you know, gratifying to kind of, you know, put that final piece together. It's exactly what somebody wants.
Yeah, and even for us, you know, after we design it and we order it, it takes a couple weeks for the ring to come here, and then we set the stones here.
Right.
So it's fun when we open those packages and get to see the final product and go from there.
Yeah. So not just at the store here, but the team at Don's here is extremely involved in the Lyons area as well. So why don't you give us a little bit about the things that you do for the neighborhood and the area?
So we are part of the Lyons Business and Professional Organization. We meet once a month, and we do a lot of events, which we are hoping soon will be able to have down here at the park, because we're hoping to put up an overhead pavilion for the farmers market. Mm-hmm. We've been working on this project for a year. I had no idea it was going to be as involved as it was. I thought, you know, we got a little money, we can build the pavilion. Well, yeah, it doesn't work that way. We wanted it to be used for more than just the farmers market, and so people will be able to rent this space out. But I think the people for farmers market will find, you know, that with the vehicles parking underneath cover, and they won't have to be setting up their tents every day, it's going to be quite an asset to our area.
Yeah. I think Lyons up here is a really tight crew, and you guys work really well together, and it's just nice to see, you know, the community involvement and the community support that you have here.
Yeah, I mean, even one of our recent new people up here down at Renaissance, Missy, I mean, what a go-getter. She's been doing a lot of advertising when they have their walks and things, and we all just work together. Every business up here, if somebody needs help, we're there to help them out, and we all put our heads together and come up with new ideas, and we just enjoy each other's company.
Outstanding. Is there anything else that you want to throw out there and highlight to the folks in Clinton?
Well, just that, you know, we are here. This building now is 12 years old, if you can believe that.
Wow.
But we're still enjoying every day coming to work in a brand new building, and we're here to serve you and do whatever you need. And we will always continue to do that.
Perfect. Well, thank you for having me down, and I appreciate the time.
Thank you.
Everyone, don't forget Don's Jewelry on Main Avenue. They have a great selection. You can design your own piece. It's a wonderful place to be as far as community involvement in getting your products that you're looking for. So head you up to Don's Jewelry if you're looking for a jewelry piece. Thank you again for tuning in to the Mayor Spotlight. Remember, these are in conjunction with the Clinton Area Chamber of Commerce and the Clinton Regional Development Corporation. So if you're not already a member and investor in the organizations, check them out and look at the great stuff they have to offer. And we will see you next time on the Mayor Spotlight.